Hello, friends. Your Shanmukh fashion model, actor, public speaker, software, and gamer. With these many hobbies, I have came, and my introduction has changed into English, and my videos will come to English only from now onwards. Just learn English, friends, to reach up to world. And I forgot, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and click that bell icon, friends. What you're doing, friends, without making our goal, actual goal, complete actual goal. Oh, okay. And today's topic, you can see our lobby, and it's late. Video is very late because for me exams are there, I have said, and tomorrow is Sunday, so today I am taking this video. Tomorrow I will prepare, and Monday is my last exam, friends. Okay, friends, that's why actually yesterday only new age event has came, so now I am going to do this. Okay, friends, I am going to say, okay, first is let's start our game. I'll explain full means full event, and I got full of the day. Okay, we got our emote, friends. Chrono, great. So this is that pan one, and this one is that one, and in our mail something came. Okay, friends, this is our event. Okay, glitch tournament. Okay, friends, glitch tournament, and this is our event. Check in, and 17 tokens we have collected. Okay, friends, I will first collect these all, then I will say, friends, what to do. Okay, friends, first I will say our login reward. Our login reward, we have two login rewards, friends. First, this yellow line is there, no, friends. This yellow line will get backpack, and second one is one pet, friends. Up to last it will come, means will get pet means not pet skin, pet only. January 1st will get pet, and December 25th will get, I don't know, this is backpack or loot box, but it will come. I think so, it's backpack or loot box. In both it can be anything, and this is that one. And 26 tokens we have collected. And town hall, I will say afterwards. And first in store we will go. Store, we have all the rewards. Premium store and classic store. In classic store we have this main bundle for 120 tokens, and monster truck for 50 tokens, friends. Very OP monster truck, friends, means, but it's normal. And Booyah one is legendary, friends. In Booyah day, monster truck, it's not like monster truck, friends, it's really great, but it is monster truck, friends, really, means ice monster truck. This is, and this is full body pack, first free body pack bundle, friends. Frost beach bundle, very OP, friends. Super, friends, very OP. And in premium store, I will say, I got the information already. In premium store we'll get an female bundle. You can see up something, one female's image, that so I'll take first a female bundle. I like female bundle, friends. In free, it's very nice. Male and female bundle. In this, we have one two, I think so. One female bundle and loot box, like friends. Loot box, total legendary, friends. And this female bundle is very OP, friends. And next, our main event is town hall. Up to that, we'll go to our leaderboard. Means it's like one event, but not leaderboard. Means its name is not leaderboard, but normally. And we are 1600, and we'll get as last time in Booyah Day event, we got one pin, and now we'll get this mask, friends. If we are top and pin and incubator watcher, friends. And I don't know, after 20 days, I think so, after 20 days we can unlock this. I don't know that much nicely, but if you are maximum up, then okay. And these are the missions. Down, you can see down like a letter one, and this is that one. Proceed. And this is town hall. With this town hall, you can see down tokens, friends. Battery, alloy, and upgrade blocks. With these, we can level up our town hall. Means you should come here, and you are getting some tokens here, no, friends. These tokens, power station, blast furnace, you need to level up. If your town hall is level 3, then city is here, some city like is there. City level 3 required. So city level 3, town hall is level 3. So many people have some doubts. Our level is 3 only. Down, upgrade town hall to level 3. Means it's not level 3, friends. It is saying to upgrade town hall to level 3. Okay, friends. After level upping, we'll get, friends, and like that. And in commander center, we can take, means by missions we can take that in leaderboard points we can take from command center. If we complete all these like all these missions, very OP, friends. And then processing plant. In processing plant, we need to upgrade up to level 7. We'll get this all. First, battery pack, we need level 1 battery and level 2 alloy, and bottle level 1 and level 3. Okay, friends, at first level we'll get power station unlocked. Second level alloy, means second level blast furnace. Third level chemical plant, and sixth level is our mining station. Friends, and this is over, and I have said full information. And this is our event, friends. And visit, friends, means we can visit others one also, but we should help. We can't take the rewards. We can help, just help we can. Okay, and in this we can see anybody's a new age event. And like this, friends, our event is, and this is Login River store, and town hall is recommended on power station, blast furnace, chemical plant, and mining station. And these 4 are recommended to command center and processing plant. And these all finished, at last we'll get leaderboard. In leaderboard we'll get mask skin, means mask face paint, I think so, that's all. And New Age. This is our first event. This is our first event, friends. If you open this website, you will get one skateboard skin, friends. I got already. And first we'll mine, friends. Okay. Okay, friends. In command center we can complete, and processing plant I'll take processing plant. Okay, friends, 180 we need to complete your missions, friends. Full missions will be given, and you need to complete these tokens, friends. Purple colored tokens, New Age coin, blue fuel shard. Okay, blue fuel from blue fuel shard will get this one, means blue tokens will get these tokens. Okay, friends, I own 27 tokens, and I will store up to premium store, and after getting premium store I will unlock this bundle and that female bundle. Next, monster truck. Okay, friends, 3 items. If there are good items, I will unlock them also. Okay, friends, and this is our event. And New Age. For now, I am showing calendar. This is our calendar, friends. New Age event calendar from December 17th to January 9th. And New Age. Here premium store is not there, you can say, because friends already we did not got. When is the from January 1st, I think so it will start. And Lone Wolf rank. Lone Wolf, in Lone Wolf will get rank, friends, ranked. Lone Wolf rank means permanent Lone Wolf, I can say. Parang skin and Friends United one event will be. Next, the Rising Day. From starting to end event is first one New Age, and the peak day you will get a map after a drop, means on December 25th and January 1st you will get tokens double, means 4. And here December 20 you will get this bad skin if you do 8 booyahs and universal fragments for 30 kills and 10 matches for bounty tokens, and bag tokens for logging 4 days. And this is this event, friends. Small technical problem, friends. Okay, now I have already said, I think so, that don't discourage anybody if it comes or if it's not comes. And I have bought a new character, that's is Clue. Yes, Clue, friends, very nice one. We'll change hairstyle first, but it looks like Nulla, friends. That's like, okay, that's why I don't keep. And but ability is nice, friends. Ability is no nothing. Ability is nice, friends. And Clue character is nice. I have checked in last gameplay, and now with gameplay I have said in last 2-3 videos last videos. In that last video, one said that my gameplay is worst. Okay, friends, but don't discourage. I am saying again, don't discourage anybody. Okay, if your talent is good, if your talent is not good, also don't discourage. If it's good, encourage. If it's not good, don't discourage. Okay. Okay, friends, and like that, I'm requesting friends, please don't do nothing. And our new age event is completed, and I am going to show the surfboard skin which will get in into the age event backpack. This is money heist backpack, and I have loot boxes, new loot box. This is Cha-ching money heist Bella Chow, and this is the skyboard, means surfboard. Very nice, friends. Means first legendary, I can say. One see fire, friends. Firearms. I will say firearms winter. It's not ice winter firearms. I think so, but frozen clone it's, but here frozen is not there. Firearms winter. It's very OP. Okay, friends, now I start my gameplay. Just enjoy, don't discourage. I am saying again. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon with your gaming love, friends, for more notifications, and complete our that one, friends. What? I need to say that one. Okay, friends, complete our goal 1k. Yes, friends, when you will complete, friends. And this is our event, and I got 2 tokens. This one is that TikTok. Okay, friends, first we'll do like this. 460 650, nice. Okay, 480, and here we need to take, means if we have this, I forgot, if we have this battery pack, we can increase our level fastly, friends. Okay, friends, and this is one, that one, and these tokens will get on 3rd city level 3. Means on 2 only, but these tokens will get polymer. Okay, and that's all. One thing I have forgotten, sorry friends for saying this. And this is our tournament. I have also collected this one, friends. I forgot to say, I have collected this one, and this I can't collect, friends. I don't know how to collect this one. Okay, friends, now I'll go and start, and I am platinum 4 now. At last means on season 9 I was diamond 1, friends, but at last, so I got up, and now this is my gameplay. Just enjoy, friends. Okay, friends, and this is our new character, but it will not get free, friends. We need to keep money, top up event, but we'll get pet skin, friends. And this character is just OP, friends, because friends, I can say one top tricks, friends. Means we got two facts and top tricks. Means it's not get in title, but in title normally new age event because new age is main. Okay, friends. So our fact is that on first means on first season 1 on season 1 we got this one, friends. Okay, friends, just I have missed and my gameplay is improved or not. You just say improved or not, just don't discourage, friends. I'm saying okay, friends, nothing happens, just try, nothing happens. And clue character I will test in this one. Okay, friends, and very OP gameplay. And in this one I have said, and this is 7 minutes video, and our fact is that lol emote is there, no, friends. That is upper one, friends. Means in elite pass season 1 elite pass upper season means free pass where we have got, friends. Means in free pass, that one means free pass, friends, full free, friends. Okay, friends, just aiming. Okay, that is loot box, friends, loot box. Okay, friends, nothing happens. Chen Mai, very good name. Okay, friends, okay, show emote and like that, friends. Our fact is lol emote, friends. Lol emote is our upper one, friends, not lower one. Means we need not to buy. Our in free items we got that in 2017. And second one is that. Second one, top tricks that are, you can see if this button is up now, friends. If we do this up, one symbol came on shift button, friends. Can you see that one? If we keep that one, good at headshots, we'll get nice headshots. Means we can means like Wolfra only will get like Wolfra only our that one, friends. Like, so that is our update. Okay, MP5. Okay, just we takes. Okay, just OP Mr. Wunsch, very nice. And shotgun player is here, and I forgot to say that I got AWM also. AWM, I am double AWM, means double ADM challenge, means I have challenged and I have played, means I know in next match I will show. Means not double AWM but single AWM only, not double, but very OP, friends. It's very nice, friends. Just nice. Just take like, and we'll hide here. Okay, friends, nothing happens, but okay. Okay, friends, take. Okay, friends, nothing happens. Give revive, bro. Use Skylar. Oh shit. We have just. Okay, but nice. And another trouble is that don't give your loot to enemies. Just leave it in safe zone. Nothing happens because if enemies will take it, trouble us. Yes, friends, it trouble us. Okay, friends, and now this one is our last, and in next video we'll show the diamond symbol in our that one. Platinum 4 to diamond 1. Very easy, friends, but diamond 1 only 2 stars we can, means only 2 stars I have gained. In this I will try to record that one. Okay. Okay, there is an enemy. Okay, friends, nothing happens. We just hide. Okay, Leon is helping us. Okay, woodpecker. Okay, nothing happens. Okay, friends, nothing happens. Okay, just back. No, very hard, hard. Okay, friends, how is our music? Okay, friends, no, it's too lengthy for commentary. Now I will not comment, friends, and my exams will finish on Monday, and I need to work on science fair after this video. Means on Monday, Tuesday we have max fair. Okay, can you see AWM champion? Means not champion, but very OP gameplay. But it's weaker in short range, friends. In long range we can do anything. Okay, friends, there is an enemy, but okay, friends, nothing happens. There is an enemy, but okay, we try. Oh shit. Okay, we got headshot. You can also see, friends, but nothing. Okay, I think so. Zero protection. I know that. I know that. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and click that bell icon and reach our goal, friends. And see this emote. Just do this and click with that big pan and smash that subscribe button and that bell icon. Okay, friends. Thank you, friends. Bye. Just see my watch. Okay. Okay, friends.